All right, folks, let's dispel some myths about spices here. Spices do not last forever. Well, they're not going to go bad. Think of it as any ingredient in your pantry. If your mustard's been sitting there for a little too long, it's not going to go bad, but chances are you'll throw it away. It's the same with spices. Yes, you can certainly have a tin of cumin in your closet and it's not going to go bad, but you're going to completely lose all the flavor and vitality and potency. My recommendation is to replace your spices after about 6 months. You can go up to a year, but I personally would not try cooking spices that have been in my drawer for a year or longer. Ugh. I just know that while they will work, they're just not going to be as flavorful as buying fresh spices. Spices and herbs, for the most part, are seeds and plants. What gives them their flavor, what gives them that smell and that unique aroma are often oils. And these oils are volatile. When exposed to air, when exposed to light, spices lose their potency, just like coffee. So we pack our spices in tin so they're completely sealed away from a heat source, from a light source, cool and dark. That's how you should store your spices. If your spices happen to be in glass jars, make sure they're always in a drawer or behind a pantry door and not just sitting on the counter exposed to light. But with the Spicewalla tins, you can leave your spices out on the counter because they won't be exposed to light. I would argue it's probably an upgrade for the look of your kitchen.